It is written to a person who is distant to you. Letter must be written with conventions and rules. A language is purely formalistic. Contractions and abbreviations cannot be used. Use polite language. Idioms, slangs cannot be used. Use passive structure. Use long and complex sentences. It is written to a person who is close to you, but form elements are used as the situation concerned. A letter can be written by slightly changing the rules and conventions as the person is close to you. Language is not entirely formalistic. Contractions and abbreviations can be used. Do not use slangs, idioms, or allowed. Try to use polite language. It is written in a friendly language and manner. Persons first, second, and third are required. Personal communication, no format is prescribed. This kind of letter is usually written to family, friends, relatives, or acquaintances. Use active voice structure. Contractions, abbreviations, idioms, slangs can be used. Use imperative sentences.